We're now going to look at working with our sheet sets. Now, we've created our VTC example sheet set here. Let's go and find our HDP one, which is there. Let's get that one open. And as you can see, we've got our HDP1 new house project. Now, look at the name of the drawing. I've got 06 working with sheet sets. The drawings in the house project at the moment are 06 creating sheet sets. Now, I can actually rename these and renumber. So let's right click and rename and renumber that sheet. I'm going to keep it as number 1, but what I'm going to do is O1 it like that. And the sheet title, I want to change that completely. I don't want the drawing name in there. Now, I've got lots of settings at the bottom. Rename option. I can rename the layout to match the sheet title. So I can rename the layout tabs here if I want to. I can rename the drawing file, the DWG file, to match the sheet title. I don't want to do either of those. All I'm going to do is remove this bit at the beginning. So I know it's an A1 sheet and it's landscape and it's details. The layout name will stay as A1 landscape details. And the file name will stay as 06 creating sheetsets.dwg. So what I'll do there is I'll click on next, and then it takes me to the next sheet. Can you see that? So I'm on number 2 now in the sheet set manager, so I'll call that O2. I'll do the same again, delete the bits I don't want. So I'm working now with my sheet set. I'm editing, but I'm not changing the name of the DWG. So I'll OK that, and as you can see now, they're very different. If I click on them though, like so, you can see there nothing happens at the moment. I can expand out the details if I want to. I can right click there and go to properties, and it will tell me the properties of my sheet in the sheet set. I'll just cancel that for now. Now what I want to do though is click here on the actual sheet set name, right click and add a new sheet. Now to create a new sheet I must first specify a template file. Now, what I've got here, I've actually preset this a little bit. There's a DWT file now in the drawings folder. It's just a DWT created from this DWG here. I'll open that there, and I can now add a new sheet. So I can use either this layout, the details layout, or the GA layout. I'm actually going to use the details layout and OK it. And the sheet number now, so I'm taking this from another drawing somewhere else, 03. And the sheet title there, I just tab across, so this will also be an A1, and I'm following the same naming convention as I have there in the sheet set manager already. Now you'll notice I've already messed up there because, can you see there's meant to be a dash between the O2 and the A1? I don't need to think about that, it will do that for me. But look, the file name is naming the same as the sheet title, O3A1. Can you see that? So I'm going to go A1 dash landscape, so I'm sticking with my naming conventions, and then dash, and this is a new detail, so it's going to be details 2, like that. I'll OK that now, and that is a whole new drawing now. I've created a whole new drawing with a new listing there in the sheet set manager. Now the benefit I have there is that is a new layout. Now these layouts, I can actually just double click on them to open them. So let's go to my O2 A1 Landscape GA. If I double click on that, that will actually open up that drawing with that layout current. So can you see now I've gone to creating sheet sets at the top, not working with sheet sets. So you'll notice now, look, they're locked. They're locked because both those tabs there, those layout tabs, are open in that drawing. Yeah? So I've opened up that particular example sheet set that is linked to that drawing. If I go back here and open up my HDP1 like so, notice they're locked as well because they're using the same drawing. Doesn't matter which sheet set I'm in. Now the benefit you've got there, different sheet sets, different projects on the go. So you can see there that as soon as you open up a drawing, it locks the drawing in the sheet set manager. That's a good indicator to someone else who might open up that drawing in the same office as you. They know that somebody's working on that drawing, so they can't open it and work on it at the moment, or they're actually aware that somebody is working on that drawing and other details will be added. So as you can see, working with your sheet sets, you're organized and you're managing your file, managing your project drawings.